Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we're going to see all three major services, cluster IP, port, and load balancing services to be done from the command line. So this is a trick which you need to learn because sometimes you just need to do some emergency troubleshooting or routing your request in emergency way to check what's happening with that. So if you know the command line argument, so it's going to be much easier for you. So I'm going to show you that. So let's create a pod first, and then we create the routing services in this one video only. We just try to finish it because it's not a big deal or not a major command, which you would have known most of the commands which we are going to use right now. So let's do a co control over here. Co control run. Let's give a name to this pod. So it's just going to be Nginx CLI. -- image equal to beyondcloud.ai / Nginx. Going to be 1, so that's the version 1 Nginx image we're using for this. And we're using port 80 over here for our container. Default parameter restart equal to never. So we have got the pod created, so let's just route the request. So kubectl expose. So this is a new command which we've not seen so far. But then everything else after this is the same one, so which we have used it. So here we are giving the name of the pod and identifying it by pod. So you can do this for deployments, you can do it for replica set, whatever we have seen so far. And then here the next parameter is going to be the name of this particular instance. So name is going to be Nginx-svc. Service cluster IP, so you can do CIP or CLS, whatever comes to your mind. And here you can give port of this particular service, which is a cluster IP service, and the target port is going to be 80, which is going to be the remote port number where the container is actually hosting the service. Type is going to be cluster IP, cluster capital C and I capital, P capital. So this is going to expose a new one over here, and then you can do curl on the IP address of the cluster, and your website should be reachable. And you can see that Nginx version 1 is working. So this is a quick way of doing this. You can use kubectl and then delete pod, svc. So we're going to remove the service. So just take the service name from here and have that removed. Now, all you can do right now is go ahead and do the same thing. The same command, almost the same command. There's not much change over here, except for the name of this, as we are going to identify this, needs to be changed. So it's going to be for node port. So I need to change this type to node port. So you're going to see a node port assigned to this time. So you can see the node port assigned to this particular service now. So you can access it from your laptop or my laptop for that matter. So if you're going to use the curl over here, so the curl is going to work absolutely fine without any issue. So let's just remove this node port, and then let's go ahead and do the last one. The last one is about exposing your load balancer. So the type is going to be load balancer. Make sure the spelling doesn't get any typo there, because some of the words, some of the letters are in caps. So here I'm gonna name this as Nginx service LP to say that it is a load balancer. I intend to say LB and I typed LP. Sorry about that. So you can see that it is pending right now. So previously it was like none. So here, as it's a load balancer, you have an option over here of entering an external IP range or a host name over here. And you have both the local port number as well as the node port number as well as and part of this particular service. So you can get this deleted as well, just like how we deleted it earlier. So now you know the commands. It's also part of the document. So you should be good enough. Thank you again for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.